why did you choose to come to Vanderbilt and why now?
One of the things I realized that I really love building programs, bringing people together from very diverse expertise and background, really going after some grand challenge problems, merging education, workforce development, research, and a natural conduit, as I thought, what's next, right? Then it sort of felt that leading, one of the great schools in this space would be a great next step. And it seemed to be the right fit, the right size, the right people, the right vision, and so took a leap. We'll see how it goes.
So what do you think inspires you about your current area of study?
So I think the immune system is a tremendously beautiful control system. Cancer, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, AIDS, whatever you can think of, there is a strong immune component to it. So my lab really works on materials and biomaterials and the interface of the immune system in terms of gene therapy, drug delivery, vaccines.
What inspires you about working with us students?
The engine of the university, whether it's in education, whether it's in research, whether it's in innovation, is fundamentally driven by students. And we are just really, I would say, chaperones or advisors or conduits for the energy and ideas that you all bring in.
Thank you for all your kind words.
Yeah.
So Vanderbilt prides itself on fostering a culture of radical collaboration.
Yeah.
Collaboration across disciplines, departments, institutions, and schools.
Yeah.
What do you think about this?
Oh, this is absolutely the motto I believe in, right? And engineering is always at the center of that, right? Engineers do radical collaboration almost by nature. And what I want to do and inspire people to do is really take different neighborhoods, put them together and create communities that are focused in solving a grand challenge problem. But we need very different expertise to solve that. We need people from the law school working on policy or regulations or intellectual property. We need folks from arts and sciences. We need folks from Peabody, folks from business that engineers need to work with. Engineers need to be able to understand each other and speak the languages and really understand the various facets of a societal problem to make that impact. And I think the next 5 to 10 years will be an amazing growth opportunities for the school, for the university as a whole, and for us to make an impact in the community.